Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to add a planet in Universe Sandbox. First, you click on the Add button in the toolbar. Second, choose a planet from the box. Third, add in by press the left mouse key. There are many object types such as stars, planets, moons, minors, objects, galaxies, black holes, my objects which I don't have any, rings, and launch. There are many types such as still, orbit, binary, and launch to customize how you put it. And that's the tutorial. Thanks for watching and consider to like and subscribe.